Hey guys, so I'm back with another video, and in today's slay, we have a triple silk press. I trimmed her ends, gave her some body curls. If you want to see how I got this done, keep watching. So I already shampooed her hair with clarifying and moisturizing shampoo. I'm applying conditioner, then I'm going to apply a mask, brush it through, and put her under the dryer for 15 minutes. So I already blow dried her hair 80% of the way. I'm spraying in Our Pui Mist, Sebastian Potion 9, rubbing in some oil, and then blow dry. Alright guys, this is the finished look. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed so you know when I'm uploading videos. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye!